3, 2, 1.
Which tool is used to cut through electrical wires? The answer is B, wire stripper. What begins when a neuron receives a chemical stimulus? The answer is A, a nerve impulse. What is one way of classifying organisms called? The answer is D, clade. I'm built to protect, yet crumble with time. What am I? The answer is B, is sandcastle. I'm the longest to flow uphill. What am I? The answer is B, river. Which word is defined as coarsely abusive language? The answer is B, Billingsgate. An oceanic plate subducts under a continental plate. Which of these landforms most likely results from the interaction of these plates? The answer is A, volcanic mountains. What is a bed with 3 parts called? The answer is D, tricona bed. I saw the best minds of my generation destroyed by madness is the opening line of Allen Ginsberg's poem Hell. Name the poetry movement with which Allen Ginsberg is associated. The answer is A, the Beats. What's always on the run but has roots? The answer is C, fleeing onion. What occurs when force is applied to a moving object? The answer is B, acceleration. What is used to write but can't be read? The answer is A, ruler. What is the name of the Celtic goddess of war, battle, and strife? The answer is D, the Morrigan. What is the deepest trench in the world located at? The answer is A, Mariana Trench, Pacific. I can mend a cut, but I don't cut anything. What am I? The answer is A, bandage. What type of clothing is a derby? The answer is C, coat. Who invented the graphical user interface GUI used in Apple Macintosh? The answer is A, Steve Jobs. What was the first balloon in the Macy's parade to be modeled after a living person? The answer is D, Einstein. What equipment does a golfer use to hit the ball? The answer is B, driver car. Where did the Winslows live on the popular television show Family Matters?
The answer is C, Chicago.
What is the largest unit of digital data measurement? The answer is C, petabyte. In the movie The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy lives with her Aunt Em and her uncle whose name is what? The answer is D, Uncle Henry. What is the capital city of Mexico? The answer is A, Mexico City. The scientific revolution took place where starting in the 1500s. The answer is D, Europe. If soil is loose, it makes it what for oxygen to get in? The answer is D, simpler. What is a pair of pliers usually used for? The answer is A, writing. In what Tom Cruise movie would you hear the line "Show me the money"? The answer is A, Jerry Maguire. Which novel is set in the dystopian society of Airstrip 1? The answer is B, Brave New World by Aldous Huxley. Which of the following numbers can never be a two-digit perfect square? The answer is A, 36. What is the amount actually produced in a reaction called? The answer is D, actual yield. More than half the compounds produced by the chemical industry are what? The answer is B, synthetic polymers. What is nanotribology the study of? The answer is D, friction at very small scale. What term describes the sequential appearance and disappearance of species in a community over time after a severe disturbance? The answer is D, succession. What is the study of emotional, social, and cognitive development from childhood to adulthood? The answer is A, developmental psychology. How is Jasper Jacks related to the madman James Craig, who held the Metro Court Hotel guests hostage for 12 hours? The answer is D, his brother. I'm always on the move, yet I never get tired. What am I? The answer is D, bureaucrat. What kind of water are cattails adapted for with narrow, strap-like leaves? The answer is C, moving water. Which element is used in water purification? The answer is D, oxygen. Which of these is a popular drink in Panama? The answer is C. Seiko Hirano. Who was the first United States president to decorate an official White House Christmas tree? The answer is C. Franklin Pierce. What does the name of the Brazilian resort Jericoacoara mean? The answer is A. Hole of the Turtles. What is the atomic number of chlorine? The answer is A. 17. I'm full of music yet contain no notes. What am I? The answer is A. Radio. Which is not one of Jupiter's moons? The answer is D. Io. I'm carried by the sick, but walk on legs of my own. What am I? The answer is C. Cane. I'm small and wireless, but I fill many homes. What am I? The answer is D. Router. In what way can you evolve the Pokémon Gilgar into Gliscor in the Diamond and Pearl Pokémon series for Nintendo DS? The answer is A. None of these. Which of the following happens only during the adult stage of the life cycle of a frog? The answer is A. A frog lays eggs. Aluminum containers can be melted and made into new products. How will recycling aluminum most likely benefit communities? The answer is C. People will add less to landfills. What is the longest running soap opera on TV?